This is our tea house in Kyanjim, which is, for us, the first village on the Langtang Valley trek. So we are paying 200 rupees a night. So this town is actually only 2 miles away from Britain, but, oh, hold on. We do have an outlet in here and lights. And then, look at this view that we have. Oh, hold on. There you go. Here is the dining room. Toilet is downstairs and outside. And here's the courtyard.
Look at it, it's really nice.
Okay, this is our tea house in the village of Llama Hotel. So they have two different structures. It's called Origin Llama Hotel. So we are paying 300 rupees a night, which is like $2.50. 2 single beds here with blankets. Wood paneling, so it'll be a little warmer than if we were in full brick. We do have a light in here, but we do not have an outlet in our room. Then down the hallway here is the squatty potty. Oops, almost fell. Now this shower only works in the winter, and I'll show you the shower we use right now. So that's the other rooms, the other building. So back out here is your other toilet and your shower. And I mean, it definitely wasn't, burned my skin hot, but it was warm, and I enjoyed the shower. So yeah, Origin Llama Hotel, 300 rupees a night. Okay, this is our tea house in Ghodatabela. We're paying 500 rupees a night. No outlets again, but okay, you can't really see it because the clouds have rolled in. But there's a bomb-ass mountain there. That's the dining hall. Oh, we have a little waterfall there. We have hooks. That is the toilet. There's obviously someone in there. It is a Western toilet. Here you have a bucket shower. And then you've got this large courtyard. This is our guest house in the village of Langtang. So we are paying 200 rupees a night. This is it's called Traveler's Guesthouse. We do have an attached bathroom, which is fantastic. So it just has a Western toilet with a flusher. And then, so we have a corner room. Again, we prefer guest houses or tea houses that have wood because it's warmer. We do have an outlet again for the last 2 nights. We haven't had any outlets. And then there's some hooks. And let me show you the rest of it. So you got a toilet and shower on this floor. And then, oh, if you notice, there's actually like carpet on the floors here. We haven't had that at any of these. Here's our rooftop. Here's the dining hall. This is wood burning fireplace. Wow, this is really nice. And then you've got another toilet and shower up here. We had hot water. Now I'm talking so hot, I actually washed my hair. First time in 9 days. Oh my gosh. Loving this place here in Langtang. This is our tea house in Kyanjin, Gompa. So we have 2 single beds. Comes with blankets, some chairs, outlet. Look at these views though. Yep. So because we're eating dinner and breakfast here, the room is free. But look at these. Oh my gosh, all of these views. Oh, the place is called Himalayan Hilton. Himalayan Hilton, my bad. And tomorrow morning we're going to tackle that beast. It's only 1.5 miles, but it's pretty intense. Oh, and the bathroom is over here. So it is squatty potty. And then you have your shower. Here's our tea house for the night in Bamboo. So we are staying at Bamboo Hotel and Lodge. I would say the name hotel is a bit of a stretch, but it's a place to stay and it has blankets. So there is, hold on, here's the view. So there are no outlets. I believe this is powered by solar, so they'll turn that on later tonight. Because we're eating dinner and breakfast here, the room is free. And then over here is the squatty potty. Again, the lights aren't on, so you can't really see it, but Bamboo Hotel and Lodge. Okay, I just saw this. This right here is our room, and look, we are right next to the river, and we have a waterfall. Okay, so those are all the tea houses we stayed at on the Langtang Valley trek. Now this one ranged quite a bit in prices and what you got. So for example, this one kind of resembled the Annapurna Circuit, where the higher in elevation you go, the more expensive things are. So for example, in Khangim, we pay 90 for a lemon tea, whereas in Kyanjin Gompa, we paid 150. Dalbot range from 500 all the way up to 750. And also what you got with the Dalbot ranged drastically. Like in Kyanjin, we got the full Dalbot experience, whereas in, say, Ghodatabela, they only served us rice, curry, and the soup. So they didn't have that papad, the crispy bread thing. They didn't have any vegetables with it, and they also limited you on the amount of refills you could have, which was interesting. Like we've never been told that like there's a limit on it. So I don't know. It ranged drastically. I would say that our favorite one was definitely Traveler's Guesthouse in Langtang, the village of Langtang. It was hands down, it is the cleanest tea house I have ever stayed in any of my tea house treks in Nepal. I mean, every day they were cleaning the walls, cleaning the floors. The dining room had this just like immaculate wood in there. It was just, yeah, hands down the cleanest. And also the tea house owners were so freaking nice and kind, and I just, so welcoming. Again, that one definitely my favorite. The one I would say I would not recommend, I would definitely not return to at all, would be the tea house in Ghodatabela, the one that's called Hotel Tibetan. Just did not really care for the owner. He 100% played favorites. What he told one trekker is not the same as what he told another trekker. I did not like him, to be honest. Okay, one more thing on the prices before I forget. So we paid 200 in Kyanjim. We paid 500 in Ghodatabela. The other ones either said they were going to charge us, but ended up not. So in Llama Hotel and in Langtang, as well as Bamboo, there was going to be a charge, but they decided not to. And then the other ones were free because we ate our dinner and breakfast there. Now, if you're looking to go completely offline during this trek, this little part will be totally irrelevant to you. But if you're looking to still stay connected, so in regards to Wi-Fi and electricity, it varied a lot in this trek. So Incel didn't work at all on this trek except for in Bamboo. So let's see, in Khangim we had Wi-Fi for free and outlets. From there, Llama Hotel had no Wi-Fi, no outlets. Ghodatabela, no Wi-Fi, no outlets. Langtang had outlets. They did have internet, but you're mainly just connecting to the owner's hotspot. So based off of his phone. Kyanjin Gompa had electricity or outlets, but you had to pay for data or internet, and honestly it was awful. It's totally not worth it. They charge you 500 rupees for 2 gigs. Again, that's super that is such a price crowd, because in the airport we got Incel SIM cards with 28 gigabytes for 30 days for 500 rupees, and we also got an NTC SIM card with 25 gigs for 800 rupees. That also lasts 30 days. So yeah, it's paying for Wi-Fi or internet in Kyanjin Gompa. It's not worth it. It's not very strong. It's not very reliable. Just save your money there. And then let's see, we came down. Oh yeah, and then Bamboo again. Bamboo had no outlets, and you had to pay for Wi-Fi. You had to pay, it was 300 rupees for unlimited Wi-Fi. As always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on the notifications so you're the first to know of any new videos I release. Leave me a comment. How do you think these tea houses compare to the ones on the Tamang Heritage Trail? And the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.